Hiring a full marketing team costs $15,000 to $30,000 per month. These 7 AI tools do the same job for under $200. I'm not exaggerating. Let me show you. The average small business spends 12% of revenue on marketing. With AI tools, you can cut that to 3% while producing more content more consistently. Replacing your copywriter. ChatGPT Plus, with custom instructions, writes in your brand voice. Blog posts, landing pages, product descriptions. A human copywriter costs $5,000 a month. ChatGPT Plus costs $20. Replacing your graphic designer. Midjourney generates campaign visuals, social media graphics, and ad creatives. Describe what you need in plain English. A designer costs $4,000 a month. Midjourney is $10. Replacing your content strategist. Jasper's campaign workflows plan your entire marketing calendar. It analyzes competitors, suggests topics, and maintains brand consistency across channels. Strategy meetings replaced by one prompt. Replacing your video editor. Opus Clip chops long videos into viral shorts. CapCut adds captions, effects, and trending formats. A video editor costs $3,000 a month. These two tools combined cost under $30. Replacing your market researcher. Perplexity analyzes competitors, tracks industry trends, and compiles reports with cited sources. Ask it anything about your market and get a sourced answer in seconds instead of a 2-week research project. Replacing your email marketer. Claude writes email sequences that actually convert. MailChimp handles delivery and automation. A/B tests subject lines with AI suggestions. An email specialist costs $4,000 a month. This combo is under $30. Replacing your social media manager. Buffer schedules and publishes across platforms. AI writes the posts, suggests optimal posting times, and analyzes engagement. What used to be a full-time job is now 2 hours per week. Total cost of these 7 tools, roughly $150 per month. Total cost of the marketing team they replace, roughly $20,000 per month. That's a 99% cost reduction. Even if AI gets you 70% of the quality, the math is undeniable. Start replacing your most expensive marketing task first. All 7 tools linked in the description with free trials. Subscribe for more AI business strategies.